Hello children, welcome back to the Social Studies class, Chapter 5, Concept of Time. Today I will explain about timeline and the calendar. A timeline is a record of important events in a sequence. It can be made by writing down events in the order they first took place on a line. It helps us to remember as well as memorize important events. What is a timeline? A timeline is a record of important events in a particular order. It can be made by writing down events in the order they first took place on a line. It is very helpful also. It helps us to remember and memorize important events. We can make a timeline for a day, week, month, or year. We can also make a timeline for a decade or century. The word decade means a period of 10 years. The word century means a period of 100 years. Children, look at this example. This is the timeline of Mr. John's life. In 1970, Mr. John was born. In 1975, he started going to school. In 1988, he got his first job. And in the year 1992, he got married. This timeline tells us about the important events that occurred in Mr. John's life within a span of 22 years. Children, look at this question. Read the list of films given below and the years in which they were released. Make a timeline of these movies. Children, look at the list of films given along with the years in which they were released. By looking at this list, you have to form a timeline. Which film you have to write first? Mr. India 1997. This film was released first. Then Stuart Little 1999. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone 2001. In this way, you have to complete this timeline. I hope you all have understood and you have to complete this also. Children, let us look at another example. These are the events from a day in the life of Amrit. Amrit got late for school. Amrit woke up late. Amrit forgot to set the alarm at night. Amrit asked her dad to drop her to school. Amrit skipped breakfast to reach school on time. Amrit apologized to her class teacher for being late. Are you able to understand this? No, because they are not making much sense. So we have to put the events in the correct sequence. Let us see. Number 1. Amrit forgot to set the alarm at night. Number 2. Amrit woke up late. Number 3. Amrit skipped breakfast to reach school on time. Number 4. Amrit asked her dad to drop her to school. Number 5. Amrit got late for school. And the 6th one, Amrit apologized to her class teacher for being late. So this is the correct sequence. Okay, children? Children, let us learn about calendar. What is a calendar? A calendar tells us days, weeks, months, and years. It helps us keep a record of special days such as birthdays and anniversaries. A week has 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are known as weekends, whereas the rest of the days are called weekdays. 4 weeks make a month. Children, look at this calendar. It shows the month of July. These are the days of the week from Sunday to Friday, then Saturday. The Sundays are written in red. Also, important days are marked with red. The total number of days in the month of July is 31. So, by looking at the calendar, we can know so many things. Okay, children? Now look at some important events which takes place at home. We celebrate birthdays and anniversaries of our family members with great joy at home. Important events at school. What are the important events at school? Sports day, annual day, painting and singing competition. Exams and PTM are important events at school, for which special preparations are done. Important events for our country: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the important events which are celebrated by the whole country. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation. It is celebrated on 2nd October. Look at this question. Fill in the missing months. January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, and so on. Children, you have to complete this exercise. Write the name of the months correctly and complete this exercise. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson. Children, in my next video, we will be doing exercises and question answer. Till then, take care.